welcome back. So far, we have configured EtherChannel on layer 2 devices using Papg, LACP, and static mode. You will find the link of my previous videos related to these in the description box below. Today, we are going to configure layer 3 EtherChannel. That is, we are going to use the command no_switch_port in order to enable the routing in the switch in order to make the switch as a layer 3 device. We can also use this on a multi-layer switch. With this said, let's get started with the configuration of layer 3 EtherChannel.
We have got switch 1 and switch 2, and both the switches are at the moment layer 2 switches. So we are going to convert this layer 2 into layer 3, and we will use the command no_switch_port on both this interface on both the switches. And once we convert that layer 2 switch to layer 3, we will configure static mode of EtherChannel. And then once a EtherChannel is created, we will be assigning IP address for that newly created EtherChannel. Finally, we will verify with the help of show EtherChannel summary command. You can also use show EtherChannel details. If not, you can use show EtherChannel port channel command. Let's go to switch 1 and enable IP routing. Let's rename this switch. Host name switch 1. Okay. I will take range command because we will configure all the port as a no switch port. Okay. So interface range Ethernet 0/0 till 1, no switch port. Okay. No IP address in case if there was any, and if it was already configured previously, it may have been configured as layer 3. So I'm just making sure that if there was, then that's removed. So no IP address. Now let's configure static EtherChannel. Channel group, I'll just take number. Channel group 11, mode on. It's saying creating a port channel for the port channel that is created is 11. Okay, so now we have configured port channel. Let's check show IP interface brief. You can see that it's exactly showing the same results like if you log into the router, right? So this is now a layer 3 device. So we should be able to even assign the IP address. So we will go to port channel 11 and assign IP address. Configure terminal interface port channel 11. So IP address 1.1.1.1/8 for the subnet mask. No shut. Okay. You can use the command show EtherChannel summary. And here you can see the port channel 11. RU here. What does the RU mean? R stands for layer 3. And layer 3 is in use. U stands for in use. And protocol here you will see blank because it's bypassing PGP and LACP. So it's an on mode. Okay, that nothing but it's a static EtherChannel on layer 3. And the ports that we have bundled is 0/0 and 0/1. You can also use another command, show EtherChannel detail. Okay, so that will also show the mode that we have used is on mode. Port channel group is 11. Okay, and you want to use another command, you can use show EtherChannel port channel. Okay, So these were the two ports that we bundled on mode and both the end of the switches. And you can see the time since the last bundle happened. That is 2 minutes ago. Okay. So 2 minutes ago is what we configured our static ether channel. Okay. So this is about the switch 1. Let's go to switch 2 and do the similar configuration. Configure terminal. But let's check the spanning tree. Okay. If you want to see show spanning tree, it's all in forwarding status right now. And you can see both the 1, 2, 3, 4 ports usually. Okay. Now let's go ahead and configure no switch port and make this switch 2, sorry, the layer 2 switch converted as a layer 3. So configure terminal interface range, and we have 2 ports here. So Ethernet 0/0 until 0/1, no switch port, no IP address. We will now create channel group 22, mode on because we are configuring static ether channel, creating port channel interface port channel 22. So a new port channel is created. So now let's go ahead and check the interface, show IP interface brief. No IP address is assigned yet. So let's go ahead and assign the IP address for this port channel. I'm just copying this interface. So let's go to configure terminal, interface, configure interface port channel 22, IP address. So we got 1.1 on this switch port channel 1 here, right? For the port channel 1.1. So we will configure 1.2 on this switch 2 for the port channel 22. So IP address 1.1.1.2 with /8 for the class A subnet mask. No shut command. Now let's verify. Show IP interface brief. So that IP address is assigned now for the port channel that we just created. Let's verify with the command show ether channel summary. And you can see RU, that is nothing but layer 3 is news. And the protocol here is just, you can see a single dash, which means we bypassed LACP and Papg and we just used on mode. Okay, and these are the ports that we have bundled to this port channel. And you can also use the command show ether channel details. Okay, and then the command you can use is show ether channel port channel. Okay, it is showing the time since last port was bundled is just 1 minute ago. That is when we just created our new static ether channel on this switch 2. Okay, so this is all about configuration of layer 3 ether channel. I hope that this video has been helpful to you all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. We are going to come up with the next video about ether channel using load balancing. Till then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.